Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be showing you a filter or a screener on like Finviz screener overall for the most profitable stocks. So like where you can find, of course, it has to do with some digging. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I will be just showing you the screener. This video will be short as hell. I mean, you can see how short it is at the moment. But let's get straight into it. What you want to do is go on finviz.com, then go on screener, okay, and you're left on this page and you go and click on all right there. And after that, what are you going to want to do is fill out the performance that day, okay. You want it for it to be down, okay, for today to be down. Why down? Bro, but just mainly because we want stocks that are kind of low, so we can kind of buy them, or like you can do, or like whatever you want. And it's over, like overall this is for day trading. You can do whatever you want with this screener. If you kind of find a good stocks, it is always up to you what you want to do with that. Then you're going to feel the price. I'm looking for stocks that are under 20 bucks, so let's go with that. Under 20, just like that. Then the next thing, will be the performance 2, okay. What does the performance 2 mean? Performance 2 means the percentages. So we want it for today to be down 5%. The second last thing will be the average true rate or ATR. Okay, we want it to be over to 0.25, so we want like to see a little bit movement, or like a little bit better than normal. And the last thing will be, no, actually, you know what? No, yeah, the last thing will be the industry. Okay, stocks only. So we are left with 111 stocks. Or did I manage to do something wrong with this? Okay, yeah, just like that. And like we're left with these stocks. Then, like, again, as I said, like, what are we going to be wanting to do with this is go right below there. And right now, like, you can find some stocks that are kind of low, and you can kind of basically find. After that, so then you can kind of go ahead, like, find the stock that you like you can do whatever you want. But first, like, let's just go to the overview right here, and let's just talk about the volume. So we want the most amount of volume that we have. Just double click on that, and we are left with our walk. Okay, so let's just go to charts and kind of take a look at these stocks. For example, SDC, Smile Direct Club. Oh my god! So I'm talking about this stock for quite a while, about like on my channel. So this is like absolute buy for me right now. I'm not financial advisor or something like that, but in my opinion, absolute buy. As you can see, we have been kind of following this down kind of channel. We have been kind of picking up this volatility, so this could kind of skyrocket. And it is always up to you what you want to do with this screener. Go ahead and screenshot that. And guys, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.